Hey Figma, my name is Deetal Vishwakarma and I'm a BCA second year student at HRPG College and a T-shaped UI/UX designer from Khalilabad, Nagar. I'm also a member of Google Developers Group New Delhi and Design Buddies, which is one of the biggest design communities in the world. Previously, I have served as a campus ambassador at International Model United Nations and interned as a graphic designer at Hamari Pehchan NGO. Today, through this video, I'm going to explain how am I going to structure the Figma user group and conduct my first event. So I have created a presentation for it. So let's get to the screen.
Hello again and welcome to Figma Khalilabad. I'm thrilled to share with you my plans for structuring the group and exciting ideas about the first event. Firstly, let's talk about how am I planning to structure the group. Figma Khalilabad aims to be a vibrant and supportive community for designers, developers and creatives not only in Khalilabad but beyond. Firstly, I have divided the group into three parts where the first one is leadership. In leadership, first person is group leader who will organize everything, and the second is event coordinator who will plan and manage our events. Third person would be the communication manager who will keep everyone updated and engaged. The second part of our group structure is members. The most of our members are gonna designers, developers and students. And third part is communication. Through communication, we use different platforms to stay connected. The best platform for communication would be Discord, where we'll create different type of channels for different type of things like project collaboration, design challenges, event notification, design discussing, and resources sharing, and so many things. This will help enhancing the engagement in my Figma group. Members can collaborate on projects, join challenges, receive event updates, discuss design topics, and share resources as well. The next thing I want to include is weekly challenges. The purpose of hosting weekly UI/UX design challenges is to provide members with regular opportunities to practice their design skills, explore new ideas, and receive feedbacks from peers. Now let's talk about the ideas for the first event. The first event is not gonna event actually, but it's gonna a virtual workshop where I'll be introducing them to Figma. The theme of this workshop would be unlocking creativity with Figma, and this workshop focuses on how Figma not only helps the UI/UX designers but also developers, and how Figma is changing the world of UI/UX design. Now let's move to the next slide. In this virtual workshop, I'll be focusing on advanced techniques in Figma for experienced designers. Participants will learn about prototyping, design systems, plugins, and collaboration features to enhance their design workflow. And finally, after teaching them all the basics to advanced tools, I'll be organizing the first ever designathon. And this will be my first event. And this Figma designathon would be so much exciting that brings together the designers, developers, and creatives to collaborate, innovate, and solve real world design challenges. Participants will form a team, receive mentorship from industry experts, and attend workshops and speeches, and compete for prizes in a fun and engaging environment. I have tried to explain this presentation in too short so that I can save your time. I have also created a detailed document of the workshop, event, and everything. How am I gonna manage it? How is the designathon gonna happen? Thank you so much for watching this video.